It's the 15th day of Christmas. The jam of the day is fig cardamom. That's a very rich jam. We're going to make a cross between a Moscow Mule and a darkened Stormy. We're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of the fig jam into the shaker, along with almost an ounce of lime juice. That'll really brighten things up. I'm going with Old Tom Gin for this cocktail. It's got a really rich, deep flavor. It'll be great. So I'm going to shake this cocktail, but before I do, I'm going to add quite a few dashes of cardamom bitters. Cardamom is a nice, warm, spicy taste, and it's the secondary flavor of the jam, so I thought, why not? Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will have some residue in the bottom of the shaker, but that's normal. Strain into a rocks glass filled with ice. You'll see all those delicious pieces of fruit which add all that flavor. And simply fill your glass with ginger beer to the top. Finally, finish with a light stir just to give it a good mix. And a little wedge of lime. That's all you need. It's a great cocktail. And that's how you get figgy with the Old Tom Gin. Please like and subscribe.